So, your parents are finally visiting you in Germany. You've planned everything, the flights, the sightseeing, the room in your apartment. For many of you, this is not just a visit. This is your parents coming to see the life you built here in Germany. And now you're looking for travel insurance. You Google, you find a policy from India, Schengen approved, only a few thousand rupees. You think, perfect, visa done, parents safe. But here's the truth from our experience at NEOdirect, a policy that is good for the visa is almost never enough for your parents. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you why the minimum visa policy can turn into a financial nightmare and how to actually protect your parents and your savings. The embassy says 30,000 euros coverage is okay. Sounds big, right? It's not. A day in a German hospital costs around 1,000 euros. Intensive care for 1 week can cost 50 to 100,000 euros, and emergency flies back to India around 50,000 euros. So, when a policy stops at 30,000, guess what pays the rest? You. Because of the Verpflichtungserklärung. Not the insurance, not the hospital. You. And that's the moment many people realize the cheapest option was actually the most expensive mistake. There are always two directions to think about. Number one, you fly to India. Number two, your parents flying to Germany. Both need completely different insurance strategies. Today we focus on two because this is where families get hit hardest. No, a lot of people ask you why not just buy insurance from India? And look, some Indian policies are visa compliant, but real life is different from embassy paperwork. We've seen cases where hospital ask families to pay thousands upfront just because they didn't trust the insurance provider. We've seen delays in claim approvals during medical emergencies when every minute matters. That's why many expats in Germany prefer providers like ADAC, Hanse Merkur, Dr. Walter, because German hospitals already know them. That means direct settlement, faster procession, less stress, less upfront payment risk. And in emergencies, that matters much more than saving 50 or 40 euros for the trip. You've seen families paying 5,000 euros upfront just because the hospital didn't trust the insurance. And in one case, a father became severely ill and the claim never cleared in time. This is the difference between visa approved and life protected. At NEOdirect, we analyze dozens of plans. There are the three strongest options for Indian parents visiting Germany in 2026. Number one, ADAC incoming, the budget all-rounder. Widely accepted in Germany includes liability insurance coverage capped at about 50,000 euros. Best for shorter stays or long risk or low risk travel. So, number two, Advigon Care Economy, the safest maximizer, unlimited medical coverage, no hidden medical gaps or caps, maximum peace of mind, but higher premiums. If the bill is 200,000 euros, they pay 200,000 euros. Number 3, Provisit from Dr. Walter, the Long Stay Pro. Ideal for long stays up to 1 year. Strong digital claims systems, popular among expats, but price increases with age. Best for longer and retirement visits. Now here's what almost everyone forget: the liability insurance. In Germany, if your parents accidentally cause a damage, someone has to pay. A cyclist accident, a broken item in a store, a small everyday mistake. These things can become very expensive in Germany. That's why we strongly recommend at least 1 million euros liability coverage. Most people ignore it. This until it's too late. So before buying travel insurance for your parents visiting Germany, remember these 3 rules. Never rely on the visa minimum. Prefer German recognized providers. And always include a liability insurance for your parents. And if you want the full comparison, including cheapest options, best unlimited coverage plans, best insurance for older parents, and which providers German hospitals actually accept smoothly, check the guide linked below. We comment everything for you and for 2026. And remember, your parents should see the Alps and the Rhine, not the inside of a hospital. I'm Mr. Martin from NEOdirect, helping expats in Germany protect what matters. See you in one of my next videos.